Hi, my name is Sagar Tamang, and today in this video we are going to discuss how I cloned the Groww app and hooked it up with the Nepal Stock Exchange and launched it in Google Play Store. I'm going to share my full journey from starting off with nothing but a simple screenshots of Groww and then creating a complete app using that. Let's start off with the design. I designed it completely using Figma. Figma is a very powerful tool, and we all use it to design dashboards and UI and stuff. So what I did was I took the screenshots of the Groww app. I pasted in my Figma, and I just tried to copy as much as possible by looking at the screenshot. So including the pictures, including the fonts, including the font size and everything. I just try to replicate the exact same screenshot that was there, starting off with the dashboard and moving on to the individual stock pages. I cloned in each and every one of them. After the initial designs were fixed, what I did was I jumped into code first. So front end comes the second stage of the preparation of the app. The front end I used React. So what I did was I used React, and I just tried to create the complete clone of the Figma designs that I had. So I replicated everything. I used React.js with TypeScript, and and that is how I built the front end. But you all might be thinking that React is used to create like web front end, right? So what I did is I used capacitor.js to instead build as an Android app. So it was pretty smooth. I just hooked it up with the capacitor, and it just gave me an APK file. For auth and database, I used Supabase. Supabase is fairly very simple. What I did was I just created a project, named it as Zod in Supabase, and I just copy pasted the Supabase keys and all the private keys and stuff, and that is how I authenticate my users. And the database, it's Postgres, and it's also inside the Supabase only. So I use Supabase client to talk with the database as well. In the backend, I have written it in FastAPI, and I have also written in Go Gene. So I have written one backend in Python and another in Go. But both of them are completely the same. They have completely same endpoints, and they do the same thing. These are all crude endpoints, so I do not think we need to go much more complex than that. In the backend also, for the authentication, it's using Supabase client to verify whether the access tokens from the Supabase are like valid, and that is how the backend works. Finally, launching it in the Play Store, it was the toughest part, because designing and coding it took only like 1 month or 1.5 months at maximum, but putting it over the Play Store was the biggest hurdle. And Google Play has the policy that for the new developers you need to do testing phase. So I did my testing phase, which was closed testing for almost a month. And it is required for you to do like 14 or 15 days minimum. But in that closed testing phase, they also require a minimum of 10 testers, I believe. So I contacted my friends and family, and I told them to download my app, and that is how I got my closed member testers. But that was not enough. I was rejected, saying that my testers were not enough. So what I did was to increase the number of testers, I posted it on Reddit. They were very helpful. I managed to gain around 20 to 30 users in closed testing, and that helped me a lot. And thank you Reddit, all the people from Reddit who reached out, and I'm very grateful for them, because that is one of the reasons that my app is live today. So next, what happened was I applied for public access, publishing access, and at that time Google banned my app and banned my account actually, basically. So I had to appeal to Google and say that my app is non-financial, like there's no transactions happening, there's no ads, there's nothing, It's a simple app for tracking the portfolio, and I had to rewrite my privacy policy. And after almost 2 months, 2 to 3 months of back and forth with Google, somehow magically, they accepted, and they were like, sure, you can continue. And that's why it's now I just made it public and it's available, but I have only launched it in Nepal and India. I don't want to go too far too early, because there are a lot of laws in different countries. Like EU has some regulations, and I need to comply with that. So I do not have the bandwidth as of yet to like research on what kind of laws, like privacy policy, or what kind of things that I should be doing, like making the data encrypted, secure while transit or other stuff. So yeah, those were that is overall how I did it. And yeah, you can also try to clone any app that you want using similar techniques. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you have any further questions, then please let me know.